Hello! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday, pero mukhang 28 pa din. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you, ate, kasi dahil sa'yo, naging strong ako. And thank you for all the love and care na binigay mo sa pamilya natin. For all the sacrifices. I love you. And sorry sa lahat ng mga nagawa kong troubles. Pero nandyan ka pa din. I love you.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Jonah. Miss you. Miss ka namin kayo lahat.
Happy birthday, Mami Jonah. We love you and we miss you.
Pag-graduate na po kami, sana umuwi kayo. We miss you and Philippine miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, tita. Yay. Kiss, kiss. Yay. Kiss na. Happy birthday, tita. 50th birthday ka mo. Yay.
Happy birthday, Mama Jonah.
Love you.
Great, see ya.
Blow kiss. Say blow kiss.